Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 126. We are on Grammar Reference, Unit 9, Reported Speech, Present Tenses. So you may refer to Pupils Book, page 111. So when we use reported speech, we usually change the tense. So am or is change to was, are change to were, and then when it comes to present simple tense, you change it to past simple. So if there is a present continuous tense, so you will need to change it to past continuous tense. So this is an example here. Sugar is bad for your teeth. I said sugar, so is change to was, bad for your teeth. But I love sugar. He said he loved, so with a D behind E, sugar. I'm eating all the cakes. He said he was eating all the cakes. So this is present continuous tense. So you change it to past continuous tense. He said he was eating all the cakes. So next we go to the next section here. Indefinite pronouns and adverbs. You may refer to Pupils Book, page 112. So we have 3 columns here: person, place, thing. So for affirmative statements, someone, somewhere, something. Affirmative statements and negative meaning: no one, nowhere, nothing. Questions or negative statements: anyone, anywhere, anything. So examples here: someone will find it. Can I do anything to help? There's nowhere I haven't looked. So next we take a look at activity 1 here. Complete the reported sentences with the correct form of the verb. Number 1, I'm doing research for a science project. So Amy said she, so this one you change to past continuous tense. So and you change to was. She was doing research. So just copy these phrases here. Research for a science project. So we already have full stop here. So second question. So science is my favorite subject. She said science, so is, you change to was. She said science was her, so mine you change to her favorite subject. So no need full stop here. So I erase this one. Number 3, I love doing experiments. She said she, so you change to past simple here. Oh, sorry, past continuous tense. So she said she loved doing experiments. So next we go to activity 2. So I maximize it a bit. Complete the sentences with the correct word. So just now I already explained the 3 columns for indefinite pronouns and adverbs. So just choose one out of the 9 indefinite pronouns and adverbs. So number one, already given an example. I can't find my maths book anywhere. Number two, maybe has hidden it for a joke. So maybe someone. Number three, there's in your locker. It's empty. So there's nothing in your locker. It's empty. Have you asked if they've seen it? So number four. So this one, anyone. Number five, knows where it is. We can't find it. So number five, no one. 6, look, there's under the table. So this is something. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 126. We are on grammar reference. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.